Hi, I just thought that I would take a moment to explain our Tastebuds subscription service that the Pampered Chef offers. It is a recipe subscription that you can get for 1 month, 3 months, or 6 months, which, just like anything else, it's a better deal if you get it for the 6 months. And so I have a lot of questions that come up about this, and so I thought I would just share what it looks like each month. So kind of walk you through what I get. So you'll get this in the mail in your mailbox every single month. It comes in an envelope. You open it up. You get 3 seasonings, 3 recipes, and then a little bonus card that gives you some information and ideas as well. So I'm just gonna walk you through these real quick, but you can see here are the 3 seasoning packets. And this month we got honey sriracha, garlic parmesan, and chili lime. And we even got a bonus, which is a super veggie sample pack. So you can try and put this in some of your recipes and see what you think. Bet your family wouldn't even know that you're putting some extra nutrients in their meal. But I love that you can get free samples, and sometimes you get to try a seasoning before it's even released into our line. And so those are some extra perks of being a member of Tastebuds. So with this is our September one, and it always has some kind of theme. So this month is switch up your faves, okay? And so our recipes are spicy sweet sloppy joes, creamy chicken pasta, and Mexican street corn chowder. I think those would all be a pretty big hit at my house. I have found that some of these recipes are things I typically wouldn't make, but then they become some of our family favorites. And so what you're gonna do is, if you look on the back, it just gives you a little bit more information and a QR code. So the QR code gives you access to an exclusive website that gives you more ideas, gives you an easy grocery list, all of those things. And then you also get an email each month with access to that as well. But I will say, I love being able to get my own groceries, because a lot of the times I have things in my pantry already, and because we are cattle farmers, we have a ton of beef that we need to use up, and so we don't have to buy it, and ours is just ready to be used, right? So let's kind of walk through these recipes. Oh, I forgot one thing. Another bonus thing about being in Tastebuds is that from the 17th through the 27th of the month you get it, for the following month, you can add on products. It's pantry products, and then there's some additional add-ons that they have. But then you just add that onto your order, and you don't have to pay shipping. So it's a nice extra perk in case like you want to get some more seasonings or things like that. Free shipping. I'm all about that. All right, so let's walk through. So this one is the Mexican street corn chowder. You are going to use the chili lime. And so they're very easy to follow directions here. And then it also gives you other ideas to use the seasoning for. So this one just pumped up produce. You could put some on some pineapple, cucumber, or mango just to add a little spicy twist. And then it even has a refreshing salad. Combine cubed watermelon with crumbled feta, fresh mint, and sprinkle of the rub. And then I love because they have easy change ups. So for an example, one of the things on here is maybe you want to add some protein. And so it says add some extra protein to your chowder, stir in a cup of leftover ground beef or shredded chicken, or top with crumbled bacon. Okay, so there's an idea for that one. Our next one is our spicy sweet sloppy joes. This will definitely be a hit at our house. And this is with the honey sriracha. And so I love the easy to follow directions again, and it usually gives you some tips like this one. Let your ground meat brown for a few minutes before breaking it up for better color and flavor. Who knew that? And then the easy change ups, you could wrap it up using lettuce or a tortilla instead. Gives you ideas for toppings and some ideas of what you could do for leftovers with this. And then the other ideas to use for your seasoning: green bean fries and spicy snack mix. Okay, and then we have our last one, which is creamy chicken pasta with the garlic parmesan seasoning. And so this one gives you the easy change-ups of changing up the pasta. You know, you might want to just use something that you already have, how to make it vegetarian, and if you wanted to change the protein. And then they have tips here. If you use a different kind of pasta, your cooking time may vary. Well, that's a given. But top your pasta with panko mixture and bake for 6 to 8 minutes or until, nope, that's part of the recipe, silly me. Adding the spinach at the end keeps it from cooking down too much and making the pasta green. So it just gives you little tips. So as you could tell, pampered, not perfect right there, but if you have other questions or if you want to know more, let me know. But I hope that this kind of gives you a sneak peek of what Tastebuds is all about. And so I know our family loves it, and I think your family might too.